What's going on, Schmitty Garage? Working on a really old Fetters furnace. The fan is rattling and trying to figure out why. I'm thinking that this fan is out of balance. Problem is, it's really hard to find parts for these old 70s furnaces without knowing what you're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a caliper here and measure the shaft of the motor and try to find a replacement, if I can even get this in here, which I don't think I can. Okay, so that's a challenge. All right. Yeah, it has a label. Fetters Corporation. Good old American furnace. 1/2 horsepower engine, 1010 blower size. This thing's a beast. Everyone replaces their furnaces, and these old furnaces are better and will outlast the new ones. Fetters. So I took the fan out of here. It slides in these tracks. I was checking the heat exchanger. Make sure there's no rust holes. I gotta vacuum it out and clean it to prolong the life. Try to do that once a year. There we go. 1970s furnace. And here's the heat exchanger. The old air conditioner used to leak a little bit, which is why there's a little bit of rust up here, but changed it out and got a new air conditioner. Don't leak no more, so that's good. What I'm doing here also is I don't like paying people to do anything, so I'm gonna be looking up all these part numbers for this coil, and for this relay. Where is it? Not relay, this capacitor right here. So I'm gonna buy all these parts so that way when anything fails, I'll have it on hand, because I'm not buying a $10,000 foreign-made furnace. This motor was replaced not too long ago, but it rattles. So I'm gonna probably buy a motor, a fan, capacitor, and whatever this is, I don't know. I gotta look that up. Yeah. I don't have spare parts for this furnace, so when it breaks at the most inconvenient time, they'll be sitting right here ready to go. Good old Fetters furnace. All right, peace.